Are you still struggling to make your first $1,000 day with affiliate marketing? My simple 3-step process has helped thousands of students make their first high-ticket commissions without even having any products or any experience at all. Let me show you real quick. Now, this is within my Facebook group, the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. I'm just going to walk you through some of these results here. This is one of my students, Ben Fortner, who got his second high-ticket commission with my program. Now, if I keep scrolling down, here's another one from Mike Jones. Super excited on this Sunday evening. He was able to get his first high-ticket commission with my program, as you can see here. And a few more. Here's another one from Daniel Chow. Oh my God, boom, my first Freedom Breakthrough high-ticket commission today, as you can see right there. And it goes on and on. Another one from Alir, who got his first high-ticket commission with my program. And guys, I have testimonial after testimonial of people getting their first high-ticket commission with my 3-day challenge. Now, let me show you exactly what I'm going to be showing you within these next 3 days. Now, this is a simple 3-step process that not only helped me build a 6-figure business, but helped me leave my 9-to-5 job. This is step 1, is we're going to be finding a product we don't even own, but that's already high converting and we can sell. Now, the second step is to collect emails with this one-page website. And of course, I'm going to give you everything you need within this next 3-day challenge, which I'll show you in this link down below or around this video. And step number 1 is we have to find this product. So to do that, we can go to a place like ClickBank. If we click on this hourglass right here, we can basically find a product in any niche you can think of: fat loss, keto, make money online, crypto, every single type of product that you can think of that's already proven, it's already doing very well. And you can basically promote this product and you can make money from this. Now, more importantly is we want to collect emails, right? We want to basically collect this email list of people that are interested inside that product, okay? Now, I'm going to give you this one-page website that looks something like this. And this one-page website has helped me literally quit my job and help me make over 6 figures with this simple one-page website. I'm going to give you guys this as well. Now, this simple one-page website has helped me collect over 58,000 emails. And this is literally how I print money in my online business, is with this email list. Now, the last step, and step number 3, is we have to send interested people to that one-page website to collect email addresses. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this with my new 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge, which is going to walk you through step by step, click by click, how to get this up and running, and how you can literally import my business and you can get started today. And this is what, if you click on the link down below or around this video, you're going to get to a page just like this. All you got to do is enter your email. You just pay $7. You're going to have access to everything: how I built my 6-figure business and how you can get started building your online business in just 3 days. Now, if you're still not convinced on how I've been able to help thousands of students build their online business, I just want to show you more of these testimonials. Here's Ben Fortner, who got his first high-ticket commission with my program, as you can see here. Now, if I keep scrolling down, it goes on and on. This is O'Brien Street, and he's actually been doing affiliate marketing longer than I have. He hasn't seen results. He went through my program and got his first high-ticket commission there, as you can see. Now, if I keep scrolling down, here's another one here from Deanna Castillos, another one here from Trish Boyd. And guys, it just goes on and on, because this system not only helps my students build an online business, but more importantly, it helps them build a long-term sustainable business that's going to last for years and years to come. So again, guys, click the link below or around this video. It's going to take you to a page just like this, where you enter your email and you can join my 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge, where I'm going to show you step by step, click by click, how to import this whole business today. So we'll see you guys inside.
This program has been created and put together by my mentor and very good friend, Jonathan Montoya, and he knows how affiliate marketing works and how to get fantastic results from it.
Awesome. I loved it. And I feel that as a newbie, you'll get heaps of value out of it.
I was one of the lucky beta testers. And let me say that this is the most comprehensive affiliate marketing course I've ever seen.
It's a program that's going to help a lot of people, whether you're starting from scratch or you're already making money online. He starts out by helping you to pick out the right niche so that you can make money.
It doesn't matter if you're a newbie or you just get started with affiliate marketing, or you are advanced or intermediate.
They show you A to Z, from 0 to 100, from making your first $100 to making your first 6-figure months.
You don't need to go anywhere else, because this is a one-stop shop to affiliate marketing. Everything you need to know about the subject is contained in this course.
I have spent tens of thousands of dollars on training and education courses. And Jonathan Montoya's course ranks right up there at the top with any training, or probably above any training we've ever received online.
If you're looking to finally get your affiliate marketing business going and in the right direction, and you're ready to roll up your sleeves and get to work, you really owe it to yourself to get this course. It was really a life changer for me.
I actually gave up on affiliate marketing about 2 years ago, and I just recently came back into the game, and I found him through Legendary Marketer.
Now, going through his training has actually short-circuited, and it's collapsed the time frame that it was going to take me in growing my own personal brand within my own online entrepreneurial journey, especially in regards to growing my own YouTube channel and with SEO.
Are new, or you've yet to get the success that you're looking for, I strongly recommend having a look at this program.
What I see is what you've taught is what you've actually done, and I really like the way you've set it all out module by module. I love the module you had on YouTube. There's things in there I'd never seen before, never ever seen before.
I just would like you to join and to make up your mind and just go for it, because I'm sure you're going to be happy about it. You won't regret it. You're going to see that it could be one of the best decisions in your life.
So whether you're looking to make a part-time income or a full-time income and replace your job, I highly recommend Jonathan Montoya's Freedom Breakthrough.
This course is by far one of the best I've seen in a long time. So if you're looking for that all-in-one A to Z course, I highly recommend you check out Jonathan Montoya's course.
Like I said before, oh my God, you need to take a look at this training. You need to sign up for it because it's definitely worth it.
So Jonathan, thank you for all you do. You're an inspiration to me. You've provided me with a path to break my old habits and finally achieve the freedom that I've been looking for more than half of my life.
Enjoy the program. Take advantage of it. Jonathan, thank you so much. See you guys.
Don't even think about it twice. Go ahead and join. You won't regret it for a single minute.
Thanks, Jonathan. I really appreciate the opportunity to be part of this training.
Thank you, Jonathan.
Thank you so much.